You're right, guys. I've got an old video here of us playing Airsoft -5 at Gunman Airsoft, Tuddenham. Bear in mind, this is an old video, so the site has definitely changed, along with a lot of the marshals. Check it out.
Where did it land?
Oh, it's coming back down on top of it.
It landed? Somewhere in the 10. Right over. Whoa, careful. Last one. That's right.
Oh, I know where we are now. Yeah, I'm not playing from this side yet.
No.
Nice little window here, I've got these through.
We're shooting through it.
There. That's where I was getting them from there.
Don't stand up! Dude! Crouch out of it. They're in that window.
Yeah, we'll come past you.
You got a grenade?
Keep eyes on our left.
Oh fuck, I'm stuck.
Yeah? You need to get 4 people in that building to lock it down. Yeah,
4 into what building?
this one's grenaded.
This one. Go on. Go. Go on, dude. Jump in here.
Nah, you're on, I'll be in.
Right, in here, look.
I'm not going. That's 4.
4. Oh, there's 4 of us in here now.
Down there.
Would you have to tell the marshal or something? Yeah.
One eternity later.
How many in here?
5.
Wonderful. Building 6 is now green. Right, okay, good.
So now we need 5, yeah?
You've already got it. Building's gone. It's yours. It's all yours.
What, building 5?
You can have the raid. Then
No.
you've got to do the shower block, building 5.
Yeah, okay.
All 3.
I'm going to try and get into this. Is 5 clear? Do you know?
I don't know. Just watch it, this guy's still here on that window. And he's shooting down this way.
I think there's 3 of them down there, I think.
Yeah, this side's not though. You come out the door and turn right to the man there. This side, not
Damn. Right in.
Yep.
How many are there?
5. 6. 5 is.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Building 5 is now green.
Bang. On.
Are you on? Oh, you little cow. Maybe a grenade.
Hang on. Yeah, drop one in there.
There's definitely enemy.
Yeah, there's definitely someone. Watch out, dude. Watch your left. Oh, this dude.
Yeah,
I'm gonna jump in.
I got the gun, mate. They're shooting through on my pass.
Oh, fuck.
Get your spot on the window. There's your gun.
Cheers, mate. Alright, we got 4. Whatever this one is.
Where are we going to go to now?
That one. That one.
5 minutes to do it.
We're getting taken from this side now by the looks of it. I'm thinking flank back round it. That's what I'm thinking, because oh shit, there's loads of them there. Shit, are we getting shot at?
There's a lot down there.
Yeah. They're not looking after the village, are they? They're just looking after that side.
We need to get clear.
Yeah.
I think it is clear.
Yeah. Don't sound it. Okay. We got 4 here.
I'm just raising in. Right, yeah, one person there.
Watch out behind you, mate.
Pull that building, pull that building. Quickly. Right, let's go on that building.
Oi, tall guy. Look that way. There's loads of armbands. Don't shoot them unless they see you. Fuck, man. Yeah. Cheers. You alright? Yeah. hang on, oh no, it's alright. Where's Bern? Ah.